Hello, in this video we're gonna perform a quick Wi-Fi speed test on POCO X7 Pro. So let's get right into it. I have already performed the speed test on my PC so that I have a comparison. So on my PC, the download speed is 925 megabits per second and the upload shows 508 megabits per second. And as you can see, the download speed on the phone is pretty much identical. It shows 927 for download and 520 for the upload. So essentially, the speed is identical, which means that the Wi-Fi is pretty great because the Wi-Fi that I use on PC is actually not really Wi-Fi, but I use the Ethernet cable. So considering that the download and upload speed is pretty much the same on the device, means that the Wi-Fi is really quick in this case. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!